Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this mirror effect on the candle holder glasses from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. So first I took a piece of masking tape and I went ahead and taped the trim of the glass jar. I did make sure to clean the glass with Windex or any glass cleaner that I had. And that's just to make sure that I don't have any streaks or anything on there. Now when placing the tape, I did make sure that I aligned it properly. Now there are a bit of bumps on there, but it really doesn't matter just because as long as the top is taped properly. So then after I taped around the entire top of the glass, I went in with the brown paper, I guess. Well, it really doesn't matter what kind of paper I use here, but I use the tape and I just tape the brown paper around, and this is just to make sure that when I spray the jar with spray paint, that none of it gets onto the glass. And I did that to two of my glass candle holder jars or vases or whatever they're called. Now here I am using a fishbowl-like glass jar or vase, and I am simply cutting the masking tape, and I just cut it into random strips, and I just went ahead and put them inside of the fishbowl. There is no particular order that I'm going. I'm just simply cutting and pasting or placing. And this is what it looks like so far. And what I'm doing here is I am going around the trim with the tape again, just like I did with the previous two glasses, or the glass vases. And once I put the tape around, I'll go ahead and put the paper around it as well, wrapping it, making sure I don't get any spray paint onto it. I did find, though, that when I did place the tape onto the glass, I found that cutting it into smaller pieces made it a lot more easier for me. You can see I struggled a little bit. And again, I was just making sure I was putting it precise. Looking like this so far. And then going in with the paper. Now here I'm using the Rust-Oleum Mirror Effect spray paint. I did purchase this at Home Depot for about $8. And all I'm doing is just simply spraying the inside of the glass. I did apply a generous amount, and I did not have any specific order as to how I was spraying. I just sprayed. Any of the excess spray paint, I went ahead and poured it in between jars, making sure that I let the liquid kind of just go between all the cracks of the tape there. And once I was satisfied with the amount of spray, I let it dry. And when I was all done and it was dry, I was ready to peel the tape off along with the paper. And this here is what it looks like so far. And you can see in the back there I've taken off the paper of one of the glass candle holder vases. This is what it looks like so far. And I absolutely loved the way this little crackled look came out to be on this particular one. Now I didn't let it dry 100%, which is why I have fingerprints all over the inside, but that's okay. I planned on using these for my makeup, so it came out perfect to my liking. Now you can see the sticker there that I left behind. I left it on there because it really wasn't important whether I left it on or took it off. I spray painted the inside so it's not visible anyway, since the sticker is at the bottom of the glass. And I absolutely love the way this mirror effect came out. I am very pleased with that. And I plan on using these containers for my makeup, as you can see here. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. With my makeup, all I did was just place my lipsticks in one container, place my makeup brushes in another, and just miscellaneous things on the other fishbowl there. I plan on making more of these so that I can organize my makeup this way. It would be so much easier for me to find, and I just think it's so pretty to display. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Stay tuned for more.